Drags. The fifth rudiment, I should have emphasised, is very, very useful. If you don't know what drags are, if you don't know what rudiments are, it's literally all in this playlist here, this one. So drags, generally sticking wise, are left, left, right, or right, right, left. Learn both. Always good to learn both. So why do we use drags? Well, basically it makes things sound cool. As with most things in drums, we do it because it sounds cool. But specifically with drags, it gives you a little bit of a sense of momentum going into a fill. So if I don't use drags and do a fill like this, it's alright. It's a drum fill. But if I do a drag into it, that little has a little bit of a momentum, a little bit of just some spice. You could learn this in a very military fashion if you like, which is literally sitting there and going left, left, right, 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 left. I suggest while you're playing your double, your hand goes up at the same time, so you're preparing for the accent. In terms of the way you count this officially, it's 1 and a. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Now they're usually a little bit more rushed than that, so you could count them as 30-second notes. I won't get into that. As long as they sound like two nice defined notes instead of like a buzz, you don't want that. You can do that, I'm not your mum. But I suggest to play an actual drag. 2 separate notes. And also keep them really low compared to your accent note. So like I said, you could sit there and just literally go left, left, right, 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 left. That's all well and good, fantastic. But a way you can then start to apply this is by using it in eighth notes. So play eighth notes, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now when we get to 4, on the and of 4, we're going to put 2 left. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right, so when you speed that up, 1, 2, 3, 4. You might be able to see where this is going. So then you've got eighth notes, so you can play any fill that you play normally with eighth notes. Just add that at the beginning. Drags. I like them a lot.